Okay, so this is a Stirling engine. It was patented in some reports in 1807 or 1816, which would make it 200 years old or a little older than that. Runs off heat. In the cup I have hot water. You can probably see it right here. In the cup I have hot water. The bottom plate gets hot. Top plate's at room temperature. You need a slight nudge to begin its movement. No batteries, no internal combustion. Just uses the heat differential between the top plate and the bottom plate. You can also do it with ice, and then it spins the other direction. Right now we have a clockwise direction, we go counterclockwise with ice. Pretty amazing that this technology is 200 years old and not many people have even heard of a Stirling engine. I got it for 40 bucks on Amazon, made in China of course. But it's I think it's a fascinating little toy.